Good morning, everybody. Not how I thought we were going to have this Thursday go, or Friday Eve, as I should say. But welcome to class. So instead of splitting our group up and having half of us start in class and half of us start at home, we're back to just everybody being at home. So today, we are going to get started with expressing one thing that you are excited about, or one of your SMART goals that you are excited about starting kind of working towards. So we started our SMART goals. What is one that you are excited about working towards here in the near future, and tell me why? Today, our objective, what you guys are going to do for me while you're at home, we are going to identify what we know and don't know about college and careers by taking a pretest. The pretest is 85 questions, and I know that seems like a lot. Try not to stress about it, okay? It is just a pretest. Why are we doing this? I want to give you and me a baseline of what you know and don't know about college careers and life after high school, okay? And to help you prepare for what's going to come in this course. So, the pretest is 85 questions. It's worth 15 points just for completing it. I do not expect that you are going to get all the answers right, but do your best. So what this is going to help me with is it will help me determine where we need to go with this class, how much time I need to spend on certain topics, how much effort and discussion needs to be placed on certain things that we cover. So do, try, but don't stress about the questions, okay? So go through the questions. If you have any questions, let me know. It is available for you, and I will be available for questions all day, all right? Have a wonderful day, and if you need me, let me know, all right?